5 must-have strategies if you want to rank your website on first page of Google in 2025. If you want your website to be displayed on the first page of Google without SEO, you have to pay thousands of dollars to Google Ads in order for your website to be displayed on the top of search engine. And even though your website is showing on the top with the help of Google Ads, because there's a little text or label which shows sponsored, so usually people skips the sponsored links and just go right towards the organic websites that are ranking at the top of search engine. First strategy that you must use is content enhancement. By content enhancement, I mean regularly updating the content of your website as per to the latest updated information and latest updated guidelines of Google algorithm. Apart from that, you have to make sure that if there is a specific update in Google, new update which beforehand was legal, but now according to the new update, that data or that specific change in the website has been now proven to affect the ranking of your website, you need to change that. For example, if Google has launched that the number of internal links on a page should be reduced, then you have to reduce it according to the new change. Because if you don't follow the latest updates, your website is going to be affected. Second point is engagement optimization. You need to make sure that the design of your website is not only up to date, it is improved but time by time. Or what you can do is you can take your current website and you can make sure that it is very visually appealing. User can easily navigate through that website. Few points that I can give you as an example are, first of all, you can make sure that proper call to action buttons with proper description are added in the website. It can not only help user navigate the website, but it can also increase the conversion of your website up to 10 times. For example, the text and the background should make enough contrast so that your eyes does not have to strain to read the content on the website. Now, the third number thing is authentic link building. So if you're out there and you want to rank on the first page of Google and you want to beat competition, you have to make sure to signal Google that your website is powerful enough to rank in the top 10 websites or on the first page of Google. In order to do that, you have to get powerful backlinks from the relevant authenticated or from the relevant high authority links websites in your same industry. For example, if your website is a blog based or if your website is wraps around news based blog and you get a link back, you get a backlink from BBC or you get a backlink from ABC News or from such high quality news websites, then Google thinks that your website is trustworthy enough that even BBC is giving you a backlink. If you receive a couple of backlinks from high authority websites that are relevant to your niche, what is Google going to do? It will going to rank your website. So you have to make sure that you have to implement a structured data implementation in your website. Now, fourth point is structured data implementation. So you can implement the schema markup on your website so that your website can rank higher in Google search results. You have to manually add a code in the header and the body section of your website. Through that code, Google can come and read the information of your website, and on the basis of that, it can rank chunks of your website on the search results. For example, FAQ section of your website can directly rank on the first page of Google. Other information like reviews of your website can rank on the Google. Product catalog can directly rank on the Google. Can not only increase the rankings chances for your website, but it will also increase the CTR or conversion rate of your website. As I said, you will get more sales, more leads, more clients. And the last but not least, point number 5 is technical SEO. So in technical SEO, you have to make sure the technical side of your website is working well. For example, your website should be mobile friendly and you have to make sure that HTTPS connection is secure, right? So these are the 5 points that you must have in your website, or 5 strategies that you must follow in 2025 if you want to rank your website on the first page of Google. Thank you so much. Muntaha here. If you want to see more videos on how you can increase the online presence for your business and how you can get more sales and leads for your business online, then I am here for your online business success journey. Thank you so much.